Hello everyone, this is Michael and we will look into the Quickstart with custom rules for GitLab Duo Agentic Chat today. And the most simple example is we want to avoid something or enforce development style guides and then try to break it from a Duo Agentic Chat prompt. And in order to do that, I've prepared a small quick start guide here. So we need to add a new custom rule in this path. So let's quickly create that path over here by pressing this plus icon and then type GitLab /duo/chat-rules.md, which is the required path here. Then navigate over here, copy paste the style guide and give it some proper formatting, but that's about it. The next step, and this is important to actually load those chat rules or those style guides, we need to create a new chat. So we can either press the plus icon here or we can also type /new and press enter. So it loads the new context. And the next step is to actually ask about something that is forbidden, like write a C program with goto statements. So please write a C program with goto statements, for example, network app or something like that. And then you will see it includes the reference, but then says, well, according to the coding guidelines, which is mentioned here, goto statements are not allowed. Here's the relevant guideline and links us to the XKCD URL here. It also offers us to kind of create a clean network application using structured programming and so on. And you could continue the conversation here. It included our custom rules that's visible here. And we can quickly open that URL, which you can see here in the browser. Already opened that, and it's a kind of a fun little comic around what goto might be able to do, but essentially it might create some chaos. We can insist on that and try to work around that, but I want to really use goto, please. Or something like that. I'm a little crazy after many recordings today, but yeah, it essentially refuses to do so, and it again offers to implement something for you, which could be a TCP echo server, a basic HTTP server, or even like a client-server chat application. That's about it. Everything I wanted to show you today. There will be a blog post linked in the video description when published around more advanced custom rule use cases for GitLab Duo Agentic Chat. Yeah, and hopefully it was helpful for you, and have a great day wherever you are in your time zone, and see you soon. Bye bye.